Videos make it easy to show products in use and highlight their features and benefits. This kind of transparency builds trust with potential customers, making them more likely to make a purchase. For marketers, Instagram videos are a strategic tool. Let's walk through how easy it is to post videos on Instagram using Jarvee Pro. First, start by selecting the accounts you'd like to use. It's recommended that different accounts be added to different tasks for better visibility of each thread's status. You can also select all accounts if you want to save time when setting up the task. Next, set the number of posts per account. Check this option to set up an interval time to protect your account. If you want to save the post URL for future reference, you can check this option and choose a TXT file. Now, it's time to select the post type. Choose Upload Video, then add your video and accompanying text. Once you're satisfied, save the task. Need to post from multiple accounts? No problem. Just copy the task, assign it to different accounts, and you're good to go. In this example, we'll use 2 accounts, so we'll need 2 separate tasks. Finally, head over to the settings to configure the threads. This will ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's run the task. As you see, we run 2 accounts and 2 tasks simultaneously. If you are interested in this tool, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help make your social media automation as smooth and effective as possible. Thanks for watching.